Good morning, welcome to Thursday. Let's help you to master your mind so you can really thrive. How's that? Thrive on Thursday. And someone asked me yesterday, Wayne, is there a financial benefit behind this mind mastery stuff, or is it just all woo-woo? And what I can liken it to is how much farther will you go when your car is in tune and the wheels in alignment? Don't you get more out of it? It's a better drive. And likewise, when we've got our mind in tune, when we've got this tuned up, when we've got it in alignment with where we want to be, who we want to be, you're going to get more, you're going to make more, you're going to be more productive, you're going to be more profitable. And if you're running a team, it's going to be the same thing, although it'll be even more impact. So it does have a financial benefit, yes. Learn more, give me a call and ask me about it. Have a great day.